Hello, lovelies. Join me and let's make meat pie together. I will share with you some mistakes so that you don't repeat those, okay? In a bowl, I pour in flour. I'm using soft flour. Then I add salt. I add baking powder, mix all together. Here I add butter and then I go ahead rub in the butter till I get something like a breadcrumbs. Perfect. This is what I am looking for. So I make something like a well in the middle and then I add water. I'll stir all together to get a sticky, firm dough. Oops, I almost forgot of my onion paste. Please add the onion paste at the time of adding the water, okay? I'll cover and then allow it to rest for at least 20 minutes. Let's make our filling. In a pan, I pour in oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Then I add my minced meat. I'll go ahead, stir fry for about a minute. All right, now I add my chopped onions. I give it another stir. Here I add salt to my taste, okay? Then I add chili pepper and fenugreek. Stir all together for about 2 minutes. Now I add water to it. I'll cover and then cook till it becomes soft. It's been a while now. Let's check. Okay, you can see that our filling looks very dried. So this is what I will do. I will add a mixture of corn flour and then water as a thickener, okay? So and then I stir all together and cook for about additional 1 minute or two is okay. Now our filling is ready. Now back to the dough. Adding onion paste to your dough or to your crust is a Ghanaian thing and it's very nice. It gives your crust a unique taste and flavor, even though it's optional. But guys, just give it a try, okay? One thing you should know is that the thinner your crust, the more crunchier it becomes. Okay, so me, I check the thickness and it's perfect for me. This is my cutter. This bowl here is going to be my cutter. So I'll be using the bowl. I put the lid aside. You can also use anything you have available in your kitchen. Just look around. You don't need a pie cutter before you can make meat pie, fish pie, or the pies. Just look around. You would definitely get something, okay? Yes. So we are done here. To assemble the crust, you put one on the plate, put flour on it, and then you put another crust on top. So this is what I do with the pieces. I cut into chunks, okay? I use scissors and then cut it into chunks, sprinkle flour on it, and then I will use this as chips. I'll fry it as chips. It's the same way of making chips. The method is the same thing. So this is what we have here. Oh, perfect. And then our filling too is all set. So when I take one crust, I roll it a little bit and then I scoop a reasonable amount of the filling onto the crust and I close it gently. I'll then press it using my index finger and finally seal it using a fork just to give it pie signature, okay? So guys, this is how it looking all yummy already. And then another one too, I'll first press with my finger and then finalize it using a fork. Perfect. Now it's time to fry because they are all set. Before frying, make sure your oil is well heated before you drop in the oil, okay? Please take note, else they will soak oil and we don't want that to happen. Please fry your pies on medium heat. Do not try it on high heat, else they will burn, and do not try it on low heat, else they will soak oil, and we do not want that to happen. As I was excited to enjoy some hot meat pie, boom, the unfortunate thing happened. My pies decided to open their mouth in the oil, guys. I had no idea what they want to tell me, but this is such a disgrace. But I have learned a lesson. I realized that I didn't seal the pies well. That is why they opened their mouth in the oil. This is such a disgrace, but I take next time I will take my time and then seal my pies well. So don't repeat this mistake, okay? Yes. So guys, we are done here. Oh, but it smells so good. Now this is my second batch, and the one I just dropped in the oil, I took my time and then seal it well. So let's see how it comes out, okay? So when it turns golden brown, that means that it's ready, and then go ahead and remove it from the oil. So guys, look at how the pie came out. No any openings. So take note next time. Don't repeat my mistakes, okay? Actually, I wasn't expecting this. This is one of the reasons why most people do not like frying their pie. They prefer to bake instead. But anyway, I have learned a lot today. So this is how it came out and this is how the inside looks. Let's have a bite. Hmm. Wow, that tastes yummy, guys. I love it. Seriously, I love it. The onion paste I added makes it taste. Guys, you just have to try this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Remember to subscribe. Bye bye.